just come here? O busy kayo sa kitchen? No, just 10 minutes. You might want to just be part of this. Pati mga bata, dito kayo. Alright, we're going to start. Okay. Edison and Maria Amparo, are you here out of your own free will for the purpose of becoming men in life? Yes. Now, before you are joined in matrimony, it's my duty to remind you of the solemn and binding character of the vows that you are about to make. Marriage, according to law, is the union of one man, one woman, that you voluntarily enter into for life, to the exclusion of all others. Clear? Okay, for your vows, I'd like you to rise, please. This is good. Okay. So, Edison, do you take this woman, Maria Amparo, to be your wedded wife, to live together in the legal estate of matrimony? You will love her and comfort her, honor and keep her in sickness and in health, in good times and in bad, and forsaking all others, be faithful to her, for so long as she does shall live. Right, Maria Amparo, do you take this man Edison to be your wedded husband, to live together in the legal estate of matrimony? Will you love him and comfort him, honor and keep him in sickness and in health, in good times and in bad, and forsaking all others, be faithful to him, for so long as you both shall live? Alright, now I'd like you to face each other, hold each other's hands, please, tingin sa isa't isa. Okay, Edison, you tell her your vow. Okay, I will prompt you if you forget to say it, okay? Be faithful to you. For so long.
I, Maria Amparo, Gibadrama, take you, Edison Munoz, to be my wedded husband, to live together in the legal estate of matrimony. I will love you and comfort you, honor and keep you in sickness and in health, in good times and in bad, and forsaking all others, be faithful to you for so long as you both shall live.
Okay, now you should have the exchange of words. So you take every moment. Okay, left hand. Alright, and look at her in token and pledge. In token and of our constant faith and abiding love. In this ring I marry you. Okay, look at him and token and pledge.
Token and pledge
of our constant faith and abiding love. With this ring, I marry. Alright, now Edison and Maria Amparo, as you have given your consent before me to live together in the legal estate of matrimony, and as you have solemnly vowed to each other to do so, I now pronounce you man and wife. Please now kiss the head. Alright, I will sign, which is black ink, right? Ikaw muna, Edison, here, and the same signature as your license. prize. So, Edison and Kuya, congratulations. Best wishes. Okay, God bless you po. Right, so you are now Mr. and Mrs. Edison Binagwa.
Yay!
Bigyan ko yan.
Congrats, congrats.